Hi everyone. So my name is Vikas and welcome to my channel. I'm starting this channel because I want to teach coding, but more importantly, I want to teach myself how to explain things better. This is my main goal or motive, whatever you can say, and I want to improve my English. I know my English is not perfect, but that's okay. Every day I will practice, improve, and share my journey with you. Coding sometimes feels difficult, but actually, it's just about breaking problems into small steps. Okay, whatever I say, these are the things which I written somewhere and I read it as it is. So, I want to say actually, my English is not bad, it's worst. Okay, in between, I will also speak Hindi where I feel very stuck, not explain the things maybe to 10 to 20%, then I speak Hindi. Otherwise, if I have words to explain the things, then I will try to speak in English. Okay, so if you want to laugh, you can. I will not stop you. And if you want to support, then please. So, who I am? I am a person who is not rich, who is not popular, who is just a simple man like you, if you are, or like other persons who are average, not so brilliant, not so worst, but I mean, bus average. So one day I realized I have to change myself. You know from where these thoughts come. Maybe you have also give time to yourself to think, to realize who you are. What's the life? What's the meaning of life? When I realize, I feel the things like I see my family, they are struggling, and God gives me proper body. I have brain, proper eyes, mouth to speak, two hands to write and do things, two legs to walk. Maybe it's enough. If you want to achieve something in life, then it's enough. You have two eyes, two legs, two hands, and brain and mouth. Maybe these enough. It's enough. If you have these things, you are self-sufficient. Then you don't have to give your excuse like I'm not capable or maybe something else. Whatever the reason, if you have these things, you are most capable person. Okay, then if you are not doing things, then bro, it's your fault. No one will grab your hand and do things together. You have to stand alone. Okay, world is worst. This world is very very worst. If you have to do something, you have to do something. Okay, so this is my journey and I dedicate myself to this. My dream is this. I know my writing is not so good, but yeah, with time I will improve. It's true. You know what is this? See how straight I draw the line. Yeah, these are my mistakes, and don't ignore your mistakes. Okay, if you saw your mistake, try to correct it. So I correct this, and don't do again. If God gives you a chance, then use it properly. Okay, gives your at least 100% to make it correctly. If it's not do in that way, if it not did what I don't know that way, it's okay, but you have to put your efforts 100%. Okay, so this is my company. I want to go here because it's my dream, and I promise to myself. It's some personal reason. If you can guess, yeah, you can. So it's a personal. I want to go here. Okay, and my motivation is this: Facebook. This is my motivation. मतलब कि I mean, when I was young, I just inspired by this, how this work, how Facebook work. So at that time I decided to only learn computer, how computer works, or etc etc. But with time, when time passes, I completed my 10th, my plus 2 and my graduation. But I know I am interested in these things, but I never studied, but I never work hard. I even before, oh sorry, after graduation, I don't know how what is JEE, joint entrance exam. I even in my mind, I don't know, I'm unaware about the things, what how the world works. Okay, so I never know ki JEE is what, and what if I clear this exam, if I clear this exam, what happened next. I don't know. I because in my family no one is so graduate, no one even reach graduation level or plus 2 level 10th. So I am the only person in my family who graduate, even post graduate. But still maybe टाइम निकल गया जितना निकलना था. बट स्टिल when you realize, maybe it's your first day, whenever you feel I have to change, then you have to change. Okay, मेरे को लगा चेंज होना चाहिए, then अब मैं होऊंगा. It's my promise to myself. So I will show every day myself to you, and I will try to teach coding. Okay, देखो कोडिंग मैं मुश्किल नहीं बनाऊंगा, जो मैंने नहीं सीखा है मैं आपको वो सिखाऊंगा, जिस चीज़ में मुझे कन्फ्यूज़न आ रही थी. ओके, लाइक व्हेन लाइक आई डिड plus 2 with non-medical like physics, chemistry, maths. But when I went to college, I don't know, I have choices like to BTech or take any other computer field. I decided BCA because in fees BCA was less, so I take BCA because I don't know even why to take BTech, because I feel like if you work hard, if you do study well, then life will automatically set. But yeah, with time I realize degree matters, bro. If anyone says degree doesn't matter, he is fooling you. Degree matters, CGPA matters, everything matters. Okay, so why not give you 100%? If you have an option to give 100%, then why not, bro? ठीक है, रेस हो रही है, तेरे पास ऑप्शन है हारने का, जीतने का, देन वाई यू चूजिंग लूजिंग, देन वाई यू चूज लूज. अगर है ऑप्शन तो भाई ब्रो जीत उसको, हारना क्यों है. पर अगर तेरे पास ऑप्शन है टॉप करने का, देन वाई नॉट, तो क्यों पीछे रह रहा है. सो यही कहना चाहता हूँ, इफ़ यू हैव ऑप्शंस इन एनी अदर फील्ड, इन एनी फील्ड, इन एवरीवेयर इन लाइफ, ऑलवेज चूज द बेस्ट. ओके, नेवर चूज द वर्स्ट. कभी भी भाई अगर तूने कभी भी वैसे चुन लिया ना, तो अपना मजाक उड़ाएगा, तो वो नहीं करना है. ठीक है. So as I told you, I came from a background where everyone speak Hindi. So in my school also people speak Hindi, and I never in a circle where people speak English, so my English is not good and I will never practice English. But yeah, from today I will start speaking English. These English whatever I speak, these things I learn in school. Okay, in college I never speak English. I just learn for loop, while loop, print, echo, see out, see in, like these kind of English only I learn. Okay, or like putting comments in code. So like it's a small sentence, whoever can easily understand. This much of English I know. But yeah, I want to fluent in English because my main motive is to crack this. Okay, for this, first thing is, which is must, communication. Actually my writing is not so bad, but actually board is very low, so it's very difficult to me to write. So today or tomorrow, or sorry, tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I will put this on here, so you can easily see the board and me also. Okay, you will see my face. You are very lucky. So first thing is this, it is must. If you not able to communicate with interviewer, HR, or any people who can refer your resume, refer you, you will never reach at that point. So if you want to reach at that point to the interview level, which is the first step, this is must. If you don't have this, you will never reach to the interviewer. Okay, so this will not improve in 1 day, 2 days, week. It will take time. So I will give myself approx 6 months from today. Okay, in 6 months I will try my very fucking hard to crack this. I don't know what the situation is, whatever happened, I have to reach at least here. अगर यहाँ तक नहीं भी जा पाया तो कहीं ना कहीं आसपास ही होऊंगा. इफ़ नॉट फैंग इट्स मे बी कोई बड़ी कंपनी हो उसमें जाऊंगा, लेकिन या आई विल हैव टू अर्न significant amount of money, because it's not about only money, because I need. मैं कैसे बताऊँ, सिचुएशन इज़ वेरी बैड for me to earn 20-30,000 is more than enough, but for my family I mean. But if you came from that background where you see a lot of poverty and everything, maybe money is play very important role. You know, there is a story, और क्या कहते हैं उसको, एक लाइन है, I will tell you, I'll tell you the line which is from anime. Actually due to English I started watching anime. I addicted to anime, but my English is improved but not that much. So there is a line in that, if you watch anime then you will surely hear. It's a great Doflamingo lines, like the kids who never seen war and the kids who never seen peace have different values. You know इसका क्या मतलब है? लॉ, आई ट्रांसलेट इन हिंदी. इस लाइन का मतलब है ना, वो लोग जिन्होंने कभी लाइन नहीं देखी और वो लोग जिन्होंने कभी शांति नहीं देखी, दोनों की वैल्यूज डिफरेंट होती हैं. अब सोचो, एक लड़का है जो वहाँ रहा है जहाँ पर हमेशा युद्ध होता रहता था. उसने अपने माँ बाप को खो दिया, मतलब कि उसके भाई बहन सब, उसको नहीं पता कौन कहाँ पर है. अब उसकी वैल्यूज़ क्या होंगी लाइफ की? हैव टू फिल स्टमक अपना पेट भर ले वही बहुत है उसके लिए। हैव टू प्रॉपर स्लीप, प्रॉपर फूड, वाटर, ये उसकी लाइफ की वैल्यूज होंगी। एंड द पीपल हु नेवर सीन वॉर, जिन्होंने कभी लड़ाई देखी नहीं, उनसे क्या एक्सपेक्ट करते हो? वट यू आर एक्सपेक्टिंग फ्रॉम दोज पीपल? लाइक वट? अ गुड जॉब, healthy life, good family, good wife, to get millions, billions of dollars. These are the values of those people who never seen war in their life. So these are the values of life, bro. रहोगे मेरे साथ, मैं काफ़ी अच्छी अच्छी चीज़ें बताऊंगा ना आपको कि आपने भी कभी सोची नहीं होगी और आप सोचने पर मजबूर हो जाओगे कि यार ये चीज़ें भी होती हैं। बट या हिंदी में तो मैं समझा दूंगा, बट आई वॉन्ट टू टीच यू इन इंग्लिश। सो when my English is gone perfect, I will teach you a very good lessons of life which I learned in this journey. जर्नी मेरी छोटी है लेकिन ब्रो जो जो चीज़ें देखी है ना, गॉड्स वेयर तुमने भी नहीं देखी होंगी। ओके, सो दिस आर माई होल प्लान। फर्स्ट कम्युनिकेशन इन विच इंग्लिश इज मस्ट, ठीक है। एंड सेकेंड इज development. Okay, development means building project, okay, and learn programming, coding, okay. Don't go to writing here because board is very below, so it's difficult for me to write. And third thing is communication and development, and third most important thing is DSA. And yeah, in coding I will teach you DSA. Okay, I will teach you DSA so well that you will thanks me. I know I am not explaining you well right now, but yeah, give me some time. I will come and you will not recognize me to the same person who you watched earlier at that time. Okay, so these are three. Fourth is system design. These four things which I cover in this journey in 6 months. And yeah, I try to speak English daily. These things are not, I'm not doing from anyone. These things are doing from I personally myself. Okay, so but yeah, I just want कि जो मैं सीख रहा हूँ मैं आपको भी सिखाऊँ. If you are a beginner and you also want to start from a scratch, then yeah, you can start join me and start from today. Bro, अगर तू 10वीं में 10 और 12वीं में ना, तेरे लिए इससे अच्छा टाइम नहीं होगा. तो जो बच्चे कॉलेज के बाद अचीव करेंगे वो तो कॉलेज में अचीव कर लेगा. जिनको टाइम लगेगा 26-27 साल अचीव करने में, वो तो आफ्टर 10th आफ्टर +2 ही अचीव कर लेगा. वो 27 साल की उम्र पर गाड़ी लेंगे तो 20-21 साल में ले लेगा. सो ब्रो, इफ़ यू हैव टाइम देन ब्रो स्टार्ट फ्रॉम टुडे. जिसके पास टाइम नहीं है ब्रो, तू भी कभी भी कर सकता है और तू भी अभी भी कर सकता है. ठीक है. सो टुडे इज़ माई फर्स्ट वीडियो. Tell me how you feel, and I will try every day and learn English more so that I will teach you quite well. Okay, I will not care about the background noise or anything else. I just want to record myself and put on internet. I just want to see how people will react. Okay, चलो bye, मिलते हैं. Thank you so much and subscribe my channel if you want. Otherwise, no worries.